the patriotic work done by officers of the National Police Service and the Kenya Defense Forces in Northern Rift Valley, in the areas where the operation Maliza Uharifu is ongoing. I have been there numerous times. I have seen the sacrifices that they continue to make every day to make sure that we keep bandits at bay. This is a good lesson of how the organs of internal security can cooperate with organs of our defense for stabilizing and making sure that our country provides a safe environment for us and our children. And therefore grateful also to the other agencies who are working closely with the security agencies, including national government administration officers and all the teams that have delivered what I consider significant successes in the fight against bandits. I did promise sometimes last year, just a few weeks after I was appointed, that the Kenya Kwanza administration is going to be the administration that will completely obliterate bandits from Kenya and make them part of our history. This problem of livestock, rustling, and banditry will come to an end. I also said, and I do reaffirm those words today, that 2023 is the year where, as a country, we are going to make the turning point in the fight against the primitive, barbaric, and murderous behavior of cattle rustling. For a long time, these criminals have been using some spaces within parts of our country which are difficult terrain spaces, inaccessible, and generally uninhabited. It has, over the years, it became very difficult for security agencies to mop bandits from these places. And when I made the orders that we made on 12th of March at the Malasso escarpment, we did gazette certain areas as disturbed and dangerous and requested the public, if there was at all any member of a law-abiding member of the public, to vacate those places. We were not speaking to bandits, we were speaking to any member of the public who could have been in those spaces. And because of the culture of impunity, many of these bandits thought we were playing games. And